Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to make a static Instagram story in Canva. So the simple thing is you can use the templates. Just click on the Instagram story here and then you can see all the templates. I will choose this one and then I will change the text. Just click on it, then click again. And after that you can change it to December maybe, and if you want to change the font size you can click on the font size here, then move the toggle of the font size, click X, and if you want to change the text at the bottom of the December you can click on it, then change it, and then you can add a picture. Click on the plus button. I will click on the elements. I will not add the pictures, but I will add an elements like maybe a sticker or the elements of books like this. And I will choose this one, and after that resize it by clicking on the corner, and then you can place it to this one. And after that I want to add another element, and then click on the reading books, and then I will choose see all graphics and choose the graphics. I will choose this one and resize and moving it to this place. So this is the result. If you want to export it, you can click on the export button here. If you click on this export button, you will have more options like print your design, share link, download, share it to Instagram, Facebook, schedule, Facebook group, and also send it to Gmail. And if I click on the download, you can choose the file type here, but I will choose PNG as suggested. Then I click download. So this is how to make a static Instagram story in Canva. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.